Once you ensure that you have the latest version of the Ledger Live desktop app, open it up and first install the Bitcoin, if you need it, and the Exchange app on your Ledger. Afterwards, click on the Buy and Sell button on the left sidebar. As long as you installed the Exchange app correctly, you will be able to click the Sell tab at the top and choose a crypto asset to sell. Afterwards, select the account that you want to sell from and, if needed, click on Add Account. Connect and unlock your device and open the required application within your device. You will be given a prompt to enter the amount that you want to sell and the currency you will be receiving in your bank account. Make sure to select the proper currency and pay attention to the minimum amount of assets you need to sell. After you are satisfied, click on Sell Now and Coinify will ask you to log into your account or create a new one. After you are done, you will be given a summary of your order and you can review how much money you are going to receive with that exchange. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from your ledger to your bank account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.